Hey everyone, Oukitel has always been associated with affordability, dependability, and longevity. The Oukitel C38 smartphone is the newest addition to this leading maker of tough mobile phones entry-level model selection. The brand advances both in terms of functionality and design aesthetics with the Oukitel C38. The Oukitel C38's unique characteristic is its back design, which combines traditional aesthetics with fashionable features in a seamless manner. With its smooth contours and ceramic-like texture, the gadget is modeled after traditional Chinese ink wash painting. The distinctive design of the smartphone not only radiates elegance, but also gives it a lively, youthful feel. The introduction of a captivating mint green color option further enhances its appeal, perfectly capturing the essence of spring and the coolness of summer. Despite its sleek and stylish exterior, the Oukitel C38 doesn't compromise on convenience. With a thickness of only 8.8 millimeters and weighing just 200 grams, it offers an incredibly portable experience with a smooth and comfortable grip. Users can enjoy the benefits of a large 6.6-inch 2K display without any compromise on handling. Durability is another hallmark of the Oukitel C38. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection ensures the screen remains intact against everyday wear and tear, providing users with peace of mind. Under the hood, the Oukitel C38 packs a punch. With 6 GB of RAM, expandable up to 24 GB, and 256 GB of ROM, expandable up to 1 TB, users can securely store their photos, music, and other digital files without worrying about running out of space. Powered by a 5,150 mAh battery, the smartphone offers over a month of standby time and 26 hours of continuous music playback, ensuring uninterrupted usage. Performance is not compromised either, thanks to the octa-core MediaTek processor that ensures exceptional responsiveness and smooth multitasking. Photography fans will love the Oukitel C38's triple camera configuration. While the 32-megapixel Samsung sensor on the front allows for incredibly clear selfies, the 48-megapixel Sony primary sensor produces photographs with exceptional clarity. Oukitel has prioritized pricing in addition to style and features. At a mere $149, the Oukitel C38 is a tempting alternative for consumers on a tight budget, as it comes with a 35% reduction from its initial $229 price. The Oukitel C38 smartphone, which combines affordability, practicality, and style in the stylish packaging, will be formally offered for sale via the Oukitel official store starting on May 17th. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, so I expect you to like and comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.